Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about a function that's used very often in Excel, that is how to highlight rows where you have duplicated value. So I have done that a lot in Excel. Now let's see how we can use ChatGPT to do the same thing. Now let's see a user case for this scenario. So let's say we have a massive employee spreadsheet that we need to clean up. It turns out that this spreadsheet is actually very messy, and we actually have duplicate employee records for the spreadsheet, and we need to remove them. So if we do this in Excel, we basically need to, for example, select the employee ID, go to conditional format, highlight values that's duplicated. If they are in the conditional format, then it means that they're replicated. If not, then it means it's a unique. So for example, let's check the first employee record. Yes, it's right. It seems that they actually have multiple records for this one employee, in which case we need to remove them just like that. And then you will see that the conditional format has changed because now this employee ID is a unique record. So now let's remove this from Excel, clean our rules. Let's see how we can do this in ChatGPT. Now let's see how we can create the VBA code in ChatGPT. So I'm opening up my interface and pasting in my request. So create VBA code that highlights, rows where cell value is duplicated in column 1. Very specific. And let ChatGPT does this work. Okay, now copy the code. Come back to our Excel, go to your developer tab, view code, and paste in your code. So let's first have a quick review of the code, what the code is working. So first we need to name the sheet to be our name. So instead of sheet 1, this is it. So it's changing sheet 1 to my name. Clear previous formatting optional. We actually don't have that step, so we don't have to. So let's say if you don't need this step, just add this in before it, and then it will turn green, which means that it becomes a comment. The code does not run this line. And then you can set your range to be blah blah blah. One thing is interesting is that here it's setting the interior color to be this color, which they say it's a yellow color. And then if you want to change it to some other color, of course you can customize the code here. So let me say that's the code I want, and then just let's test it. I'm running the code, and it seems that it's doing what I want. Let me double check. So for example, the first code, as you saw, I already removed the duplicate, so I should already only have one row, which is great. And then let's see about the second employee ID. Okay, so it does have 3 lines, so we need to change this. So one thing you need to know about macro code is that it's not an Excel function. It does not automatically adjust. Let me show you what I meant. So let's say if I don't like those 2 and I delete the additional row, you will see that if we do this in Excel with the conditional format, the unique value will automatically turn to white. However, because we did this in macro, so it does not automatically turn white. In order for it to turn white, you actually have to run your macro code again. And actually you probably have to leave this line, like you have to run this line, because now you have previous formatting, and then which means that for this cell, once you run this code over again, it should clear the previous formatting in this line. So now let's try it in our new code and then see if our new code would work again in this scenario. So now this line of code is also running. If everything works correctly, you would see the cell color turn to white as well. Perfect. So you see, that's what I meant. So it's a little bit different from if you conditional format in Excel. However, once you have the right code, it still works with just one click. It's still very efficient and productive to use. Okay, so that's everything I want to share with you today. If you want to learn more about VBA and ChatGPT, I do have 2 playlists of VBA for beginners and also coding with ChatGPT down below in the description for you to find out more. Other than that, I will see you in my next video.